there hearing you all laugh. It's such a nice feeling. It's so amazing to see a packed theatre for a film led by 3 women, you know, and that's amazing. All thanks to all of you. I'm so happy.
To make people laugh is a very difficult job and you all have achieved it.
Really, really happy to see you all. And I'm so happy to see so many kids and so many families. Bacha parties have enjoyed it. You all enjoyed the film? Yeah. Did we make you laugh? Yeah. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट, सबसे फनी पार्ट क्या लगा?
Your landing.
You want me to be a pilot? Would you want me to be a pilot? Be careful. Who all have come with their girl crew? Is there anyone? Yeah. So nice. How did you guys enjoy it? Love, very fun. Yeah. It's a kids crew. बच्चा वाली मजा आया?
I loved your movie.
You loved the movie? What did you love the most? See, you call me Sifra Aunty. You like Sifra more or you like Divya Rana more?
I loved all.
Huh?
I loved all.
All? All of them. Happy birthday! I'm so glad you're celebrating your birthday with me. You're a pilot? I'm so sorry. So sorry for that landing.
मजा आया good.
हमारा क्रू कैसा लगा? Guys, मैं आप लोगों से मिलने आई हूँ. आप लोग वो पहली ऑडियंस है जिन्होंने हमारी फिल्म देखी है, जो अभी रिलीज भी नहीं हुई है. तो मैं एक्चुअली आप सबसे जानना चाहती हूँ आपको कैसी लगी पिक्चर?
बहुत बढ़िया, वंडरफुल.
फुल पैसा वसूल. दिव्या राणा बहुत सुपर है.
भाईजान भी उड़ाते हो आज पता लग गया.
You want me to be a pilot?
You look like a perfect air hostess, ma'am.
And how do you love Bebo and Tabu ma'am? Awesome. You want the gold chocolate? कौन सा पार्ट सबसे बड़ा होता है?
You're landing.
Perfect. Thank you. You love Diljit, ना?
में जो पार्ट आप लोगों ने दिखाया है कि लेडीज जो है किसी से कम नहीं है, they can do anything.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was the
आपके घर में आप ही नहीं लग रहे मुझे. मजा आया? मजे आप लोग को हंसाया, हमने थोड़ा बहुत एंटरटेन किया.
Totally.
तो फिर वापस जाके थिएटर में देखेंगे.
Definitely. हो जाएगा.
And I'm ready to finally introduce everyone to my favorite product.
Let's welcome onto our stage the co-founder and chief customer officer at Hyphen. Put your hands together for Kriti Sanin. Come on, make a little bit of noise.
Hi everyone. This is the first Hyphen event that we're doing.
Every time I need somebody.
Oh wow, I love that.
Look at that, so cute.
Smells amazing. Which one did you try? Vanilla, yeah. At the end of it, I always believe the product is what is going to speak for itself. You know, it has to eventually go beyond Kriti Sanin and become a brand that people know for the brand. I want this neon lime green bottle of Hyphen in every shelf in India.
1, 2, 3.
For years, I've heard various pronunciations of my name, first and last, which I thought was a very simple name.
कितनी जी आप
नाम सिखा दिया, शायद उन्होंने भी सिखा दिया है. But apparently it's not.
Kriti Sanin.
Kriti Sanan. Kriti Sanan.
Kriti Sanan.
Kriti Sanan.
Kriti Sanan.
Kriti Sanin. Kriti Sanin.
Kriti Sanan. Kirti Sanan. Kirti Sanan.
Kriti Sanin.
Kriti Sanan.
Kriti Sanin.
पर नाम तो पता होना चाहिए. जब किसी को बोलते हो किसके लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे?
Kirti Sanan.
कीर्ति नहीं है. बोलो कृति. अरे वो इडली को इडली बोलते हैं. Only he is allowed, okay? So for the brightening and pigmentation range of Hyphen, we're actually shooting with real customers, and I'm really excited because I'm going to surprise them right now.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.
Hi guys. I'm just seeing all the pinks. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin. Welcome to London. I'm here with Pepe Jeans to attend the British Grand Prix at Silverstone. Let's get ready. So I have always been a big denim person, like whether it's shorts, it's jeans, jacket, shirt, anything. I like styling denim like differently every time. Pairing it up with like a white shirt, a nice leather jacket. I have many of those. For this particular event, Pepe Jeans has actually customized something specially for me. So let's see how it looks. Okay, I actually love it. I love how it's oversized and still like short. And that. What do you think? I think I'm all set. Silverstone, see you there. Products are now available at Nykaa.com. This journey of Hyphen has started with pure passion for skincare, and we wanted to create a line that is not only effective, affordable, but also simplifies skincare by hyphenating a lot of really good ingredients both from nature and science. All our products have amazing ingredients from ceramides, peptides, niacinamide, kakadu plum extract, hyaluronic acid, Sika extract, aloe vera extract, tamanu oil, and a lot more. And I'm happy that these are going to be a lot more accessible to you all through Nykaa. So waste no more time, head to Nykaa and check us out for yourself. Happy shopping!
Hi my fellow walkers, Mumbai's biggest walking event, the Skechers Walkathon is back with its 4th edition. Come join me and the Skechers walking community on 19 November at In-Orbit Mall, Malad. This year it's going to be bigger, better and more special with a very, very exciting social initiative to support the rising athletes of our country. So what are you waiting for? Register today on www.skecherswalkathon.in and make walking your workout. I'm going to be there and I hope you will too. See you guys there.
Pretty cool, huh? Oh God, no one will know.
Hello everyone. It is a very special day. I think fathers don't express much, and it's just important to let them know that we love them.
Never have I ever stolen money from my dad's wallet.
I don't remember him saying no to me for that, ever.
Papa, I love you.
Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin, the co-founder and CCO of Hyphen. We at Hyphen are super excited to launch our first concern-based range. That is our first acne care range. It's in this really nice, cute-looking baby blue color, which I personally love, and so does my sister. This is our clarifying acne cleanser. This cleanser not only helps you control acne, it also works on active acne, and at the same time, it also really hydrates your skin. This is the Acne Defense Daily Serum. This not only helps controlling breakouts, it also works on active acne, and it also helps controlling sebum production. This, according to me, is the hero of our acne range. This is the Acne Fix Spot Corrector. This is something that I have personally tested and used on me when I had like a zit coming here and there. This starts actually working on the acne from the first use. Guys, this really works. And I am at the new Tribe Studio. Come on in. Tribe Studio 2.0. I love it. That is the view. It's got the Tribe vibe, and we always have to keep moving. Super excited, guys. We're open, so DM the Tribe India and book your sessions. You want to meet Alibag's newest landowner? That's right. I'm now a proud and happy landowner at the house of Abhinandan Lodha's beautiful development in Alibag. Buying land on my own has actually been quite an empowering journey, and I've really had my eyes on B-Town's favorite Alibag for a while now. it was pretty clear that I wanted privacy, peace, and a great investment addition to my portfolio. So this opportunity checked all the boxes. What I really appreciated the most was how easy they made the process of buying land for me. So there's no better time to invest in Alibag than now, guys. Hey guys, I have something super special for you all. We at Hyphen have specially curated this Daily Glow Essentials gift kit. Ta-da! So starting with the Golden Hour Glow Serum, this is a very lightweight, very hydrating serum that also brightens. It's loaded with actives both from nature and science. And then I go into our All I Need sunscreen. It not only protects your skin from UVA but also UVB rays and blue light. Going into my new favorite, which is our All I Need Lips Cream. It also protects your lips from sun damage. It has SPF 30 and it also lightens dark and pigmented lips. These are all products which are fragrance free, PETA certified and 100% vegan. So go to lets-.com and order this for your special one.